Hello my fellow 480 fans. It's been a little while since I gave you guys an update. Unfortunately it has rained almost every day this past month and an ankle sprain kept me down a little bit too. That has not stopped me from ordering parts. So I'm looking for a few more things for a tune-up. One big one to get it running is actually I need to get a couple relays. I'll track those down. However, the tune-up stuff I've got so far, got some old factory spark plugs from Volvo. That was a fun find, as well as wires to go with that. I've got an oil filter, so we'll be doing an oil change, although the oil, even after sitting for 10 years, looks like brand new. We will be doing a full change on that. And just in case I end up needing it, I went ahead and bought a factory fuel pump. So we got that going. As far as cosmetic things, there's a few things on the car I didn't like. There's still a few things to buy, but overall we're making a start here. The clear lenses that were on there are falling apart, so I've been lucky enough to get these awesome yellow ones in just amazing condition, like new. So really happy to have gotten those. Got a new head unit, so we can take that disgusting aftermarket thing out and go back to cassette players, because you know we all need those. Great top of the line, really good condition. Really thankful for finding that. And the big one for me was a dash surround with no cracks, no breaks. Very hard to find apparently, so I was really happy to have tracked one of these down. I'll be installing that, and that's the big thing that I'm looking forward to in the near couple months. We're going to get it running, and we're going to start replacing some parts, making it even better. So keep tuned, stay tuned, and we will get this thing back on the road and do some driving reviews hopefully come spring. So keep watching, like, subscribe, and I will continue to share both Volvo updates and some interesting car related videos. So thank you very much and have a good day.